Ever wondered how to repair imported cars? If so, you're not alone. Imported cars, with their exotic allure and advanced technology, can pose a unique set of challenges when it comes to repair and maintenance. Different countries often have different standards, parts, and technologies, which can make the task seem daunting. For instance, a German car may have different specifications compared to a Japanese one. The parts may not be readily available in your local auto shop, and the technology might seem alien to someone used to dealing with domestic cars. But fear not. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can learn to repair their imported car. It's all about understanding the nuances and intricacies of your vehicle, its origins and its mechanics. It's about rolling up your sleeves and learning to navigate the fascinating landscape of imported car repair. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's dive into the fascinating world of imported car repair. The first step in repairing your imported car? Understanding it. This isn't a mere suggestion, it's a fundamental rule. You see, every car is a complex mechanical puzzle, and each puzzle has its own unique solution. So, before you dive headfirst into the engine bay, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your car's unique DNA. This means knowing its make, model, and year, as these factors can significantly influence its mechanical makeup. Let's start with the make. This refers to the manufacturer or brand of your car, be it a BMW, Toyota, or Chevrolet. Each manufacturer has its own design philosophies, proprietary technologies, and unique quirks. Understanding these will enable you to approach problems in a more targeted way and often save you a lot of time and effort. Next, we have the model. This is essentially the specific product line of a given manufacturer. For example, in the world of BMW, you have the 3 Series, the 5 Series, the X5, and so on. Each model often has its own set of common issues and maintenance needs, making it crucial to understand what you're dealing with. Finally, the year of manufacture. This is because changes and updates are often made to a model over its lifespan. These changes can range from minor tweaks to major overhauls of the car's systems and components. Now, you might be wondering, how do I learn all this? Well, the answer lies in your car's manual. This little booklet is a treasure trove of information. It will provide you with crucial insights into your car's parts and systems. From the engine to the suspension, from the brakes to the electronics, it's all in there. So get your hands on that manual, read it, understand it, and keep it close. It will be your best friend in this journey of car repair. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to car repair. The more you know about your vehicle, the better you'll be able to fix it. Now that you know your car, you need the right tools to repair it. It's like being a surgeon, but instead of a scalpel, your instruments are a bit more rugged. A sturdy jack is crucial to lift your car, giving you access to its underbelly. Wrenches, both socket and combination, are your trusty sidekicks, helping you loosen or tighten various nuts and bolts. Screwdrivers of all sizes come into play, assisting in removing panels and parts. Pliers, too, are a must-have, great for gripping and cutting. Don't forget the humble flashlight. It's your beacon when exploring the darker recesses of your vehicle. A good workspace is equally important. A spacious garage or even a flat driveway can serve as your operating theater. It's here where you'll lay out your tools, plan your work, and execute the repair. With your tools in hand, you're ready to tackle any car repair task. So your car's acting up. But what's causing the problem? Well, when it comes to imported cars, diagnosing the problem is the first and arguably the most crucial step. You cannot fix what you do not understand. Now, common car issues can range from leaks and noises to performance problems. Let's break them down a bit. Leaks are often easy to spot, but hard to diagnose. You may find a puddle of fluid under your car, but what fluid is it? This is where your car's manual becomes a treasure trove of information. Every type of fluid in your car has a unique color and consistency. By comparing the leaking fluid to the descriptions in your manual, you can identify the source of the leak. Moving on to noises, these can be a bit trickier. Your car speaks to you through these sounds. A squeal when you brake could mean worn-out brake pads. A grinding noise while shifting could point to a transmission issue. Once again, your manual is a great resource. It contains a list of common noises and their potential causes. Performance problems, on the other hand, can be quite a handful. Is your car hesitating when you accelerate? Is the fuel economy dropping? These could be symptoms of several issues, from a clogged fuel filter to a failing oxygen sensor. Online resources can be particularly helpful when it comes to performance problems. Websites and forums dedicated to your specific make and model can provide a wealth of knowledge. Other owners may have faced similar issues, and their experiences can help you narrow down the problem. Remember, diagnosing car problems is a process of elimination. Start with the most likely cause and work your way down the list. Be patient and thorough. It's not about getting it right on the first try, but about understanding what's happening under the hood. And lastly, don't be afraid to seek professional help if you're unsure. There's no shame in admitting that some issues are beyond your skills. Once you've diagnosed the problem, you're halfway to fixing it. Now comes the fun part, repairing the problem. Once you've diagnosed the issue with your imported vehicle, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty. Whether it's a faulty spark plug, a misbehaving radiator, or a stubborn brake pad, the process of repair is a test of both your patience and your skills. First things first, remember that every repair is unique. What works for one type of car might not work for another. That's why it's crucial to have a comprehensive repair manual at your disposal. These manuals are invaluable resources that provide step-by-step instructions, diagrams, and specifications for your specific vehicle. Now, let's talk about the importance of taking your time. As tempting as it might be to rush through a repair, it's essential to slow down. This isn't a race, it's a delicate operation. Each step needs to be performed with care and precision. Make sure to read and understand the instructions before you begin, and don't hesitate to stop and reread if something doesn't make sense or if you encounter an unexpected snag. Next, let's discuss the value of double-checking your work. It's easy to miss a step or install a part incorrectly, especially if you're new to car repair. Double-checking your work can help prevent future problems and ensure that the repair has been done correctly. It's always better to spend a few extra minutes reviewing your work than to deal with the consequences of a botched repair job. And finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's a friend with more experience, a helpful YouTube tutorial, or a knowledgeable mechanic, there's no shame in seeking guidance. Repairing an imported car can be a complex task, but with patience, perseverance, and the right resources, you can do it. Congratulations, you've just completed your first imported car repair. With each repair, you'll gain confidence and become more familiar with your vehicle. So, don't be discouraged if things don't go perfectly the first time around. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every repair is a learning experience. Now go ahead and give yourself a well-deserved pat on the back. So you've learned how to repair imported cars. But what's next? We've covered quite a bit of ground today, haven't we? We started our journey by delving into the fascinating world of imported car repair, a realm that can seem daunting at first but becomes much less intimidating once you've gained a solid understanding of your vehicle. We learned that every car, whether homegrown or imported, has its own unique quirks and characteristics. Understanding these and how they influence the performance and maintenance of your vehicle is the first crucial step towards becoming proficient in car repair. Next, we ventured into the world of tools. The right tools, as we discussed, can make a world of difference when it comes to car repair. Having a well-equipped toolbox is not just about convenience, it's about efficiency and effectiveness. And remember, quality over quantity always holds true. It's better to have a few well-made, reliable tools that you know how to use properly than a garage full of gadgets you don't really understand. Then came the diagnosing phase. We emphasized the importance of a systematic approach in identifying the problem. It's not just about finding what's wrong, but understanding why it's wrong and how it affects the overall performance of your car. This knowledge will not only help you fix the current issue, but also prevent similar problems in the future. Lastly, we dove into the actual repair process. We learned that patience, precision, and practice are key in this stage. Making repairs is not just about fixing what's broken, it's about learning, growing, and gaining confidence in your abilities. But don't let your journey end here. Continue learning, continue practicing, and continue expanding your knowledge and skills. There's always something new to learn in the world of car repair, and every problem you encounter is a new opportunity to grow. Remember, every car repair is a learning experience. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep repairing. You've got this.